surat Kedah tu, sedih saya baca surat Kedah. Surat-surat tu dia kata apa tahu dalam tu? Dia kata, wahai Khalifah yang agung, kami ini amat tertekan sekali di sini. Tolonglah. 3 kali tolong.
Ni surat original Sultan Ahmad Tajuddin lah. Letter of the Sultan of Kedah, Ahmad Tajuddin Halim Shah. Tadi dalam volume tu banyak surat-surat, rupanya semua ni alam Melayu ni di bawah jajahan Ottoman sebenarnya.
Saya sedih baca seorang raja, Sultan Ahmad Tajuddin hantar surat kepada kerajaan Osmaniyah. Kita ingat bila raja ni duduk kat atas tu tinggi, makna senang apa, tidak. Jadi kita lagi senang. Kita yang tak berpangkat ni lagi senang hidup kita sebenarnya. Mereka yang berpangkat di atas itu, mereka memikirkan tentang negara. Semua surat-surat dalam bahasa Arab. Dia punya surat-surat tu, dia kata apa tahu dalam tu? Dia kata, wahai Khalifah yang agung, kami ini amat tertekan sekali di sini. Tolonglah. 3 kali tolong. Saya baca, sianya kau raja kita. Tolonglah. Pihak mereka ingin menghancurkan Islam. Ketika tu perang bisik. Perang bisik kan 1820. Perang musuh bisik tu. Masa tu lah Sultan Ahmad Tajuddin hantar. Dan waktu itu Sultan Murad atau Abdul Hamid kedua, saya kurang pasti tu. Jadi surat tu disebut British telah menipu kami. Kan perang musuh bisik tu Siam Segang, asalnya mereka percaya kepada British. British kata tak apa, kami akan hantar armada. British tak hantar armada. Yes. Tuan Syed baca.
So tuan boleh baca dokumen. Yes. The petitions of Kedah to the Ottomans. Okey, saya bacakan. Dia dalam bahasa Turki sebenarnya. Surat tu dalam bahasa Arab, tapi ni adalah daripada archive Turki. Okey.
Sebab saya jadi member, saya boleh dapat ni.
Very rare document. Tadi dalam volume tu banyak surat-surat, rupanya semua ni alam Melayu ni di bawah jajahan Ottoman sebenarnya. Nanti kalau boleh kita baca dan sebagainya untuk tuan-tuan. Saya baca. The petitions of Kedah to the Ottomans came as a result of the Siamese intervention. Siam had traditionally regarded the Muslim states of the northern Malay as their tributaries, and of this the closest relationship was with Kedah, which was regarded as a crucial buffer state to protect Siam. Ni surat original Sultan Ahmad Tajuddin lah. Letter of the Sultan of Kedah, Ahmad Tajuddin Halim Shah. In the name of God and merciful, the compassionate, praise be to God, Lord of both worlds. Blessing and peace upon the seals of prophets and messengers, his family and companion. Praise to him who built these religions on Muhammad through his victory, and who singled out for him slave to uphold his promises until the day of judgment, and put the unsheathed swords on the necks of his enemy, the accursed infidel, and who singled them out from among the human race to be kings over all men, common and noble. And he brought forth from among their line this king whose qualities amaze the perceptive, and whose virtues even intelligent men cannot appreciate. Through the seriousness of this resolution, he renewed his religion after he had declined, until he conquered God's sacred house, the city of the prophet, and the rest of the land. I send greetings more delicate than the breeze, and sweeter than good hair to the sick body. Salutation more deeply perfumed than musk over ambergris. Praise at every time, and a charm from one afflicted whose sorrow has been inflamed, and whose pain and lamentation at what has happened in the land of Islam has endured too long with the unbelievers, the enemies of religion gaining power. Oh God, who possess fervor and zeal for the ummah of the best of the men. The reason for having this latest written is the divine saying, collaborate in piety and godliness. For the Prophet says, believers are tied to each other like the bricks of a building. Itu terjemahan dia lah, sikit-sikit. Sedih bunyinya.
Jadi kalau terjemahan dia tu lagi, dia menyebut tentang ukhuwah Islamiah. Jadi dia minta bantuan dengan Osmaniyah ini kerana mereka menganggap, kerajaan Kedah menganggap mereka di bawah Osmaniyah. Kalau bukan di bawah Osmaniyah, kenapa hantar surat?